Why supply and demand is so accurate? Why does it shows where big buyers and sellers are? Why does elite traders love supply and demand so much? What do you actually need to know in order to master supply and demand trading? How should you trade this strategy when you are in OTC markets? I will explain everything you need to know in this video. Okay, so I'm taking 3 right here, guys. I'm trying to show you that you notice it has been couple seconds gone already from the candle, but my trade will close on this candle because I'm using the flag mode instead of the regular timer. And as I said, this is the benefit of using the flag mode instead of regular timer. Okay, because if it's regular timer, the price wouldn't have closed right there. See what I'm saying? Let's find another opportunity and I will start to explain more about supply and demand. So I'm just taking this for 2 right here. The reason why I didn't want to take more trades here because the price didn't really break this candle confidently. Okay, but we did enter the supply area, and I'm glad this is happening right here because I think this is what causes many people when they're trading, not just supply and demand but any strategy overall, is that if you win a bad trade, do not just continue taking bad trades because it worked, right? If you know that it's a bad trade, just don't do it again and just call it a, yeah. Anyway, the thing is this: even though I'm winning this trade, I'm just trying to prove a point to you guys that I won't be trying to take in these bad trades all the time. I took it in hopes that I could show you guys an example. Okay, alright, so this one is beautiful. I noticed today is it's just a very good day. The market is just looking very healthy, right? And when the market is healthy, that means there's a lot of trading activity, so that means there's a lot of buying powers and selling powers. And this is things you guys need to understand about trading. Okay, the time of day also matters if you're looking for plenty of opportunities. Like if you're trading when there's like low trading volumes, you might not find a lot of opportunities. Okay, the thing is this, guys: when you're trading the demand areas or the supply areas, anyone, always make sure that you validate it. How do you validate it? You need to add multiple confluences also, right? Because remember, trading is a game of probability. You need to make sure that you have different things in your favor, so that increases your confidence. Okay, I will keep talking about this and the next trade. Why does experienced traders love supply and demand so much? To be honest, it's because supply and demand is the most accurate chart pattern in the market, and if you are an experienced trader, you will know about that. So that's the reason why most experienced traders are in love with supply and demand. Okay, taking this even though it's against the trend. I realized that this opportunity, I didn't want to miss it. Okay, let me show you something. See that? And this is the reason why most of my students, they only trade supply and demand. Okay, most of my students only trade supply and demand. What's going on here? Okay, you see how this is working out? Or the price rejected from this area nicely, exactly where I put it. That is beautiful, guys. Oh damn, my entry, guys, is not so good. Plus you guys notice that even though I'm against the trend, price still works, the trade still works. See that? But I want to also talk about something, guys. You need to understand candlestick psychology in order to understand how to find the strong moments and how to combine different confluences. Okay, you need to understand. All right, I think I shouldn't have took so many trades on this one, because for if you pay attention here, the demand area is very weak. Okay, it's not super strong, and yeah, I think I shouldn't took so many trades on this, guys. Yeah, it's fine though, because at the end of the day, it's profit. So I still didn't like the fact that I took so many on it though. But anyway, I want to talk about before I do that, let me show you something. You realize it didn't break the wick of this candle, and you see how this price just continues and disrespect it. I don't know why my trade enters so slowly right there. If it comes back down, I'm gonna take some more on it. Oh my god. Oh my god. So this is the demand area right here, and you see the reason why professional traders love supply and demand. This is the reason. Just look how accurate this is moving. You see how the price is just respecting the my bad, guys. You know, so the price is just respecting the demand area. See that? Anyway, I'm good. See that? My trade opened very late, guys. I don't like this. I don't like that. I pressed the button for my trade to be opened a long time ago, and I think that's the reason why I had a slight bad entry right there, but it's okay. I want to talk about something, guys. Many of my students love this why is it disappearing? Many of my students love this strategy, and I know why, because you see how accurate the price is just rejecting. You see that? Look at that. It rejected right from the area of my zone. See what I'm saying? See that? Come on. Guys, you see that late closing? I don't like this. This is very annoying. I'm taking this one right here. Honestly. Anyway, let me just talk about the benefits of using supply and demand versus other strategies. The thing with supply and demand, sometimes you can even see 30 seconds leave on a candle and you can enter and still win. You get what I'm saying? Because your trade will close on the running candle. You see that? If you want to learn about candlestick psychology, supply and demand, support and resistance, all these other strategies on a deeper level, you can use the link in description to apply for mentorship. I will see you on the inside. Bye for now.